Hello and welcome to Maker Hacks. What we're going to cover today is the cup holder or phone holder. Try to say that 3 times fast. Cup holder, phone holder, cup holder, phone holder, cup holder. Welcome back, and if you are new here, do not forget to hit subscribe down below and also leave any comments and hit like if you like this video. During the Christmas holidays, we are going to see an awful lot of phones being given away under that Christmas tree, and invariably you're going to have to drive home and not have a phone holder for your car. This is a quick and simple way to make one out of cardboard, and then if you actually have a plastic cup, how to make something a little more permanent. So first thing we're going to do is empty a cup of coffee, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put it into the cup holder of your vehicle, take a Sharpie and mark a line around the upper limit of where your phone is going to have to sit. After that, you need to mark out the lines of approximately where your phone is actually going to sit. Then we're going to just cut that out of the cardboard. Now at this point, you can just use this if you've made it fairly tight. Now the phone itself can slide back and forth a little bit, and further on I'll show you how to stop that with the plastic holder, but with this one it's really just not worth it. So basically what you need to do is just make sure that the slot for your phone is tight enough that it actually kind of grabs the phone. So now we have a flat pattern. Let's cut that flat pattern out and apply it onto a dollar store cup. Trace the outline. And now cut it out with a Dremel tool, X-Acto knife, a saw blade, pretty much anything you can get your hands on to cut this thing. You'll see me using a Dremel and a knife and a pair of scissors. Now make sure that the slot for your phone is actually narrow enough that it grips your phone a little bit. The next step is to take some EVA foam or craft foam and add double-sided tape to the back side of it. Cut this foam into strips and start applying it to the edge of the cup. The back edge is the one that you want to work on, and then you'll start adjusting the gap for the phone by cutting out the forward section. Now once you've had all that done, you just finish putting on the EVA foam around the outside edge, and you've got a perfect phone holder that didn't take you very long to make at all. Okay, there you go. Something really simple to improvise a phone holder for your drive home, since you got your brand new flashy Android or iPhone or Huawei, who knows what you got. But this way you can use the map application on any of your phones and get yourself home. Hopefully that's helped you out. Do not forget to hit subscribe below and also hit like if this video has been of any use to you. I'll talk to you guys in a bit.